Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Product Focus Friday, where we are playing with Studio Calico all month and stamps. It's also Christmas in November. One more month to real Christmas. That is crazy. So I have grabbed out my December daily from last year because it's not done. Surprise! And I grabbed whatever I could out of my Studio Calico stash that was Christmas related. These have some trees, some stars, just some stuff. This is, these are some acrylic, acetate stars. This is a Creative Bubble from Studio Calico, a nice little sticker sheet. Grabbed some gold stars, grabbed some green labels. I grabbed these postage stamp labels because that might be kind of fun. And then I grabbed this stamp from Studio Calico, designed by Paisley Press, and it says things like "do not open," and there's like a mailing stamp. So I was thinking about doing one of my pages in my December daily. Today's stamp is supposed to be, let's see, a shaper icon. Well, I have a holly leaves, so that's a shaper icon. So it's just stamping with those kinds of stamps. So now I was trying to figure out what day I wanted to do, but I thought with the mail it might be fun to do my day, what was it, day 20, which is my Christmas card. Because one, I have it already printed. Two, I grabbed all these envelopes and seals for the Christmas card page. We just have to put it together. So that's the plan. So it's just going to be one Traveler's Notebook size page by itself. So let me get some papers and let's get started. All right, you guys. I have trimmed down, these are two papers. Well, this I think is a Simple Stories paper, but this paper is from, and that is really crooked. This paper is from, wow, I can't think. It was a Citrus Twist kit last year, and they had exclusive paper from the kit from last year. It is my December daily. I am going to move that up a little. I have a picture of what I put in our cards. So I handmade all our Christmas cards this year. So not as many actually went out because that's a lot of work. So I'm using one of these Color Theory stamps. And I wanted to bring some turquoise in because a lot of these things are turquoise and I really like them. But then a lot of them are the red and pink, which is awesome because that was a lot of the colors in this paper pad, or they're kind of like 6x8 papers. Maybe you guys will think of it if I show you. But they also had like this turquoisey, dark, minty turquoise green instead of like regular green. So that is what I'm working with. So yeah, this was the paper pack that came with it. And then I have some Vicky Bouton mixed in there because that's what else I have for my December daily from last year. Was going to stamp the postage stamp thing, the wavy lines, and then this one that says Happy Mail, because that's an icon. And that would count for our thing as well. And then I do want to use this Holly Leaves and Berries, but this is going to be black. And since this is kind of glossy, we're going to use Stays On. And then I'm going to have the photo overlap a little bit. But then I have, so I went through my stash a while ago and kind of gathered things for this page. I have a couple wax seals. I have all these letters. So I've got this letter, this mail. This is all Vicky Bouton. So I thought putting these kind of down here with, and then our photo tucked in would be kind of cute. Something like that. We will stamp this first. I ended up hosting Thanksgiving, and I wasn't going to. And then this one says Happy Mail. I'll do this one. that dry. Will we just do black for the holly berries? Maybe. It will be hard to stamp any other color on here, so. Let me get my. Right. Let's glue. Oh yeah, and I need my day 20. I need my chipboard 20. Oh, I can put it right there. So let me find that. Where are my... Yeah, we're just gonna tuck that right there. Let me get my little cluster of mail that I wanted to stick down. And then, yeah, we'll stamp around it. Okay. Or do I just want to do this swirly and the... This swirly would be kind of fun just to tuck in different places, wouldn't it? Just like put a swirly down there. Just like, dink. It's kind of an icon. Oh yeah, I like that. That's cute. Okay. I mean, your stamping doesn't have to be like the whole page. It's just use your stamps. I think I'm just gonna, I don't know if I'm gonna use. It's a Santa seal. Maybe. I do want to use... I don't think we'll use those, but let's do some of these. Sure, why not? It's kind of my go-to lately is this is laying here. Should I use it? Sure, why not? Right? Why not? And am I gonna keep this? Sure. Don't know why. There we go. There is my day 20. Thanks guys for watching. We will have new stuff to play with in December for Product Focus Friday. Oh goodness. And no, I'm not gonna work on my December daily. I'm gonna do a bunch of other December projects throughout the month. So we're gonna work on something else because otherwise we're gonna get December dailied out and I can't get this on straight. There you go. So thank you. We'll see you next time. Bye.